The VONLUCE 52-inch ceiling fan combines modern aesthetics with practicality, featuring a sleek design that enhances any room's decor. This ceiling fan is equipped with an adjustable LED light, offering a customizable lighting experience with a range of color temperatures and brightness levels. Its reversible DC motor provides 6 wind speed settings, ensuring efficient air circulation for comfort in both winter and summer. The fan operates at a whisper-quiet level, making it perfect for maintaining a peaceful environment in bedrooms or living spaces. A convenient memory function allows the fan to remember its last settings, providing ease of use with its remote control. Designed for versatility, this fan can be installed on sloped ceilings and includes downrods for various ceiling heights.